Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular options for compact laundry solutions: the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Sport Portable Washer and the Elevon Portable Washing Machine. Both of these machines are designed for small spaces, making them ideal for apartments, dorms, and RVs. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and performance to help you find the best portable washer for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The BLACK+DECKER features a single-tub, top-load design, making it easy to load and unload laundry. In contrast, the Elevon boasts a twin-tub design that allows you to wash and spin clothes simultaneously, which can save you time during laundry day. While the BLACK+DECKER is more automated, the Elevon's design offers flexibility for those who prefer a hands-on approach. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER has a 6.6 pounds washing capacity, which is suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the Elevon offers a larger washing capacity of 18 pounds and a spinning capacity of 10 pounds, making it better for larger laundry needs. This difference can significantly impact your laundry efficiency, especially if you have more items to wash at once. The BLACK+DECKER is a fully automatic machine, meaning you can set it and forget it, while the Elevon requires manual operation to transfer clothes between the wash and spin cycles. This makes the BLACK+DECKER more convenient for those who prefer a hands-off approach, while the Elevon may appeal to users who enjoy a more involved laundry process. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER and Elevon portable washers have their unique advantages. The BLACK+DECKER offers a more automated experience with a durable stainless steel tub, while the Elevon provides the convenience of simultaneous washing and spinning in a compact design. Consider your laundry needs and preferences to choose the best option for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.